Kim. I'm an artist and a teacher with over 25 years of experience. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to mix colors on your jelly plate. If you want to fully mix your colors so that they are all cohesive and even, you'll want to put a small amount of paint right into the middle of your jelly plate, about the size of a chocolate chip, and then go ahead and take a second color and do the same. Grab your brayer and you'll use this to mix right in the middle of your jelly plate. Continue mixing it until it all looks like one solid, cohesive color. And that about does it. So now I'm going to use my brayer to apply the paint all over the jelly plate. You'll want to use a light touch so that you don't get lines on your print. Go ahead and grab that paper and print. And this is a nice cohesive color. You can see there's a little bit of darker coloring in there, but that doesn't bother me. It's a little bit more organic, but that makes for a great background print. Now I'm going to show you how to use 2 colors, but not mix them on your jelly plate. Let's continue with the same 2 colors so that you can see the difference. Go ahead and put a small amount of paint onto the middle of your jelly plate. And you'll want to use a little bit less if you're using a smaller jelly plate. For me, right now, I'm using 2 chocolate chip size amounts of paint. So I've got 2 different kinds of paint. You can put them anywhere you want on your jelly plate. And what you'll do is you'll roll over both of your colors and then move your brayer in lots of different directions until the entire surface is fully coated. You can see that they're blending a little bit, but not completely like in the last print. Go ahead and grab your paper and let's print this. And you can see there's a lot of differentiation between the colors, and I love the way this looks. Very different from that first print. One more technique that I'd like to show you for using 2 colors or more on your jelly plate. Go ahead and grab your first color, and you'll want to put a chocolate chip amount at the top. Put it on the bottom too, either one. And grab a second color, put that one on the other side. So 2 colors, 2 sides, we're doing an ombre. You'll start with the lighter color first and you'll go up and down. Make sure you get this side covered and then continue to move over to the middle. Once you see that this is pretty nicely coated, you can go ahead and grab this darker color. Make sure you get the right side nice and even before moving a little bit farther left. Go ahead and grab a piece of paper and print. Nice ombre.